About this item 1. The FSS6 Pro is a PCI Express 3.0x4 interface to 6-port 6 Gbps max speed SATA 3 expansion card. It allows users add 6x non-RAID SATA 3 storage or AHCI boot up HDDs/SSDs on desktop PCs, working stations, Mac Pros, and network attached storage, NAS. Point 2. Select the ASMedia ASM1166, the most stable non-RAID PCIe 3.0 SATA 3 host controller. PCIe 3.0 x4 interface, provides 16 Gbps total bandwidth. Each SATA 3.0 port will get 6 Gbps max speed for AHCI boot up or storage for HDDs/SSDs. Point 3. Plug and play on Windows 11, 10, 8.x, 7, Vista, XP, 32/64-bit, and Windows Server 2022, 2019, 2016, 2012 R2, 2012, 2008 R2, 2008, 2003 R2, 2003, 32/64. Mac OS 10.4.x, 10.5.x, 10.6.x, 10.7.x, 10.